Welcome to the installation guide of Fishbone Off-Road's foot peg set for Jeeps JK and JL Wranglers and JT Gladiator. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's doors. Begin by disconnecting the electrical connector. Next, remove the Torx bolt from the door hinges with the T50 Torx. And for a JL and JT, you will need a T40 to remove the door limiter. Carefully lift the door out of the hinge and place them in a safe location. Step 2. Begin installing the foot pegs. The foot pegs are driver and passenger side specific and are identifiable by our signature plate being readable from within the vehicle. Place the foot peg over the hinge and with the included bolt, 2 flat washers, 2 nylon washers, lock washer, and hex nut. Secure the peg to the door in your desired position with 2 17mm sockets. Use this diagram as a reference. Repeat on the opposite side and you're done. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road foot pegs.